Yep. So it's probably cost about £8 to build. Almost as much as the SU in the boot.
What you do, building yourself?
Yeah, it's all Depron, all bone board. Yeah, it's quite breezy up there. And this is not the quick one.
Again, I did Thailand a few months ago, 12.5 hours out, 10 hours back. Tailwind all the way back.
Literally full throttle.
And you land that on the field behind you?
Yeah, just bring it down onto the crop.
You like the electric, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, so this is top out at 7 minutes. So I'm running it quite hard. You can hear them. You can hear it coming down. You can hear the motor slowing down because it's had so much full throttle. It's looking high out into the wind. Yeah, the streamers do help quite a bit. I could probably do with one colour being different to the other just to help it.
Are they one different colour?
Yeah, I can get different colour streams.
Get a Tesco's carrier bag and Morrison's one on the other side.
Exactly. It's 5 feet that is, isn't it?
Yeah.
There she is. She's in.